Choosing which kind of bar oil to use on your chainsaw could make or break the life of your saw. I used a big box store brand bar and chain oil on this particular saw, and this whole inside area was packed with this black sludge, and I had to scrape it off with a scraper. And as you can see on the cover that goes over the clutch assembly, some of that bar and chain oil actually heated up to the point where that black sludge baked itself onto the inside of this cover, and I had to wire wheel and scrape this down so it would be smooth again. But this particular bar and chain oil can really kill your saw. I mean, I'm not going to tell you what it is and where I got it from, but as you can see, it really did some serious damage on this saw. So you would be better off using brand name bar and chain oil. I have another saw here that I'll show you the inside that strictly use Husqvarna oil, and you can also use canola oil, which is a totally environmentally safe oil to use. It has an operating temperature down to minus 13 degrees Fahrenheit, and there are a lot of arborists that use canola oil in their saws. So be careful what you choose for bar and chain oil. Here's some of the other effects of the bar and chain oil that I bought from the big box store. As you can see here, it's just baked onto the bar, which causes more friction, makes it harder to cut, just overheats everything and kills everything. This side, you can see it's still baked on here on the bar. On this side, I cleaned it up so it's nice and smooth. And you can see here, this is what I pulled off of this side of the bar. So the stuff, all this baked on, you can feel it. It's like powder coating. Alright, as you can see, the bar and chain oil not only sludges up the side where the chain is, but it also sludges up the rest of the chainsaw all the way around. As you can see, there's a lot of that black caked on grime and stuff in here from that bar and chain oil that I was using. So this side has to be cleaned up. This is a Husqvarna 395 XP, and this saw here has only used Husqvarna brand bar and chain oil for its entire life, and as you can see, it's a lot cleaner on the inside of this cover over here. And this area here really this is how it looked when I took the cover off. It remains clean. So the Husqvarna brand bar and chain oil in this Husqvarna saw is a good choice to use if you want to stick with brand name bar and chain oil.